Hi, in this video we will be taking a look at the GCSE AQA Mathematics Topic Test Foundation Tier Real Life section. Okay, this video is appropriate for the OCR spec, Edexcel, AQA obviously, and all the other relevant exam boards for the foundation tier as well. So Edexcel, WJEC, and IGCSE and CIE exam boards, okay, for foundation level maths, okay, for the IGCSE and the WJEC spec for anyone doing the Welsh exam board and the CIE exam board, okay. Right, guys, question number 1. It says that Neil is baking a cake. Sorry, Neil is baking, sorry, not baking a cake, sorry. So Neil is baking. So part A, so he weighs some sugar. Okay, part A says, so the value for the sugar, for the weight of the sugar. Okay, so if you look here, so it's going up in tens, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. So the answer is 160 grams, guys. Okay, so the arrow's pointing to 160 grams. For part B, he has this jug. So he needs to put 500 milliliters of milk in a bowl. So how can he use this jug to do this? Well, what he can do, okay, is pour a jug of 300 milliliters. So one lot of 300 milliliters, okay, into a bowl. And then he can pour a 200 milliliter bowl, okay? 300 plus 200 is 500 milliliters, guys. Okay, there is more than one answer. The other way of doing it is doing two lots of 250 or 100 plus 300 plus 100, or 150 plus 50, which is 200, and then add on 300, which is going to be 500. So there is more than one way of doing this answer. So the way that I picked was 300, okay, so fill it to the top, okay, and then pour it, okay, and then on the second round, fill it to the 200 milliliters, and then pour that into the bowl. Okay, so we'll call this the bowl. Okay. This is question number 2. Okay, Sarah has only £14.50. She sees this offer. Pizza £9.70, buy one, get one half price. Can she afford to buy 2 pizzas? So I've got to show my workings here. Okay, so buy one, get one half price. So buy one and then get one half price. So we're going to work out half of £9.70. Okay, so let's use the bus stop method of working it out. So £9.70 divided by 2. So 2's into 9 is 4, remainder 1. 2's into 17 is 8, remainder 1. And then 2's into 10 is 5. So it's £9.70 plus £4.85. So is this going to give us... Oops, sorry guys. Sorry guys, I apologise for that. £4.85. So is it going to give us ever? So let's just add the numbers. So 0 add 5 is 5. 7 add 8 is 15. So 5, and then I'm going to put a dot here, carry the 1. 9 add 4 is 13. Add the 1 is 14. So the total price is £14.55, but she has £14.50, so she has not got enough money to buy the pizza on offer. Okay, since £14.50 is smaller than £14.55, so she is short by 5 pence. Okay, so the answer is no for that. Question number 3, guys. Here are some of the ingredients for a pie: minced lamb, potatoes, carrots, and stock. Oliver has only 300 minced lamb. How much of the other ingredients should he use? Well, 450, grams, divide that by 300. So we're going to get 1.5, okay? So the scale factor, so going from here to here, I've essentially divided it by 1.5, okay? And then going from here to here, I'm going to multiply it by 1.5, okay? So Oliver has 300 grams of minced lamb. So for potatoes, it's going to be 900 divided by 1.5. Well, 900 divided by 15 is going to be 60. So the answer is going to be 600. So that's the answer for that one, guys. Okay, for carrots, 75 divided by 1.5. Well, 75 divided by 15 is 5. So the answer is going to be 50 grams of carrot. And for stock, 300 divided by 1.5. Well, 300 divided by 15 is going to be 20. So the answer is going to be 200. For that one, guys. So 200 milliliters of stock. Okay. This is question number 4. Mr. Sign uses 967 units of electricity. So he pays 26 pence per unit for the first 135 units, 19.5 pence per unit for the rest of the units. Is £100 enough for him to pay the electricity that he uses? You must show your workings. And it's a 5-mark question. Okay, so the first part is, if I do 0.26, multiplied by 135, so 0.26 times 135, guys. So let's do this on my calculator here. Okay, so 0.26. So 0.26 multiplied by 135 is £35 and 10 pence for the first 135 units. Now for the remainder, if I do 967 subtract 135, that will tell me the remainder for the units. 7 take away 5 is 2. 6 take away 3 is 3. And 9 take away 1 is 8. So it's 832 units that are remaining. So if I do 832 multiplied by... Now, I've got to be careful actually because it's 19.5 pence. So it's 0.195. So if I do 832 multiplied by 0.195, that gives me an answer of 162. Oops. 162 pounds and 24 pence. Now, if I was to add the numbers together, £35.10 plus 160 plus 162.24. Okay, 0 plus 4 is 4, 1 plus 2 is 3, 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 6 is 10, carry the 1, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is £207 and Oh no, sorry. I think I made a mistake. Sorry, it should be a 9 there. Sorry. Apologies, guys. So I think I made a mistake here. So the answer is £197. Sorry, because 3 plus 6 is 9 and not 10. Sorry. So £197.34. Okay, that's less than £200. Therefore, Mr. Sin or Sign ever has enough money. Okay, so the answer is yes. So yes, Mr. Sign has enough money. Okay, this is question number 5, guys. A smoothie recipe uses banana, kiwi, and yogurt in the ratio 4:1:3 by weight. A smoothie is made using 280 grams of banana. How much kiwi and yogurt are needed? Okay, so banana to kiwi to yogurt. So banana's going to go here. So ratio means that I'm going to have some sort of scale factor that goes from 4 to 280. So 4 times 7 is 28. Therefore, 4 times 70 is 280. So timesing everything else by 70. So 1 times 70 is going to be 70. And then 3 times 70 is going to be 210, guys, because 3 times 7 is 21, and then add on the 0. So writing the answer in the correct ratio ever. So banana to kiwi, so banana to kiwi to yogurt. Okay, so it's 70 grams of kiwi, and then it's 210 grams for yogurt. Okay, so that is my answer for that one. For part B, guys, each smoothie costs 72 pence to make. These smoothies are sold at a school fair. The school wants to make at least 30% profit on each smoothie. Work out the cheapest selling price to do this. Okay, so profit in real life and business terms, profit is your money coming in, so it's called revenue or income, subtract your outgoings. Subtract expenses or outgoings. Okay, so the cost of the business or the cost of the products, yeah, and in this case the cost of the ingredients of banana, kiwi and yogurt. Now it says that it costs them 72 pence to make, so that is the expenses. Okay, they want to make at least 30% profit, so we want to work out essentially 30% of this and then add it on. Okay, so so if I do 3 times 70, it's going to be 3 times so 10% will be 7.2. It's going to be 3 times 7.2, which we can work out, guys, is £21 and 60 pence. Okay, so I think this is right so far. Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry. It is going to be 72 pence. So it's £2.16. Okay. So if we do £2.16, subtract 0.72, that's going to give us £1.44. And £1.44 is double 72 pence. So they are looking for like a 30%. Okay, so we want to work out the cheapest selling price. Okay, so if we do like trial and error, guys, so if we say, if so, we know that if we sell it for £2.16, that they will make 50% profit, and that's because £2.16 subtract 0.72, okay, will give us our profit, okay, because that's the revenue minus that, which is £1.44. Now we want it, so that's actually equal to 50%, because if it costs them, so they have made £1.44 profit, okay, which is essentially at double that. But we want at least 30%, so we need to try like a number that is smaller than this number here, if that makes sense. So if we say, for example, £2, subtract 0.72, I get £1.28. Now, if I divide that by 0.72, I get £1, 1.77. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to think now, yeah, and seeing where I've, because I'm not 100% sure actually. So it says that each smoothie costs 72 pence to make. The smoothies are sold at a school fair. The school wants to make at least 30% profit on each smoothie. So the profit, okay, needs to be equal to 3/10 of the total revenue minus expenses. So it's 3/10 of revenue minus expenses. So if we do 0.72, we divide that by you get £22.16. Okay, so so the answer, okay, so the answer, okay, is going to be £2.16. Okay, so that is my answer for question 5B. This is question number 6, guys. Here are two adverts for van hire, VJ's Vans and You Drive Vans. So VJ's Vans, £40 for the first 50 miles plus 30p for each extra mile, and You Drive Vans is 48 pence per mile. Okay, which company charges less for 120 miles? Okay, you must show your workings. Well, for You Drive Vans, I'm going to do 0.48 multiplied by 120. Which is £57.60. Okay, So that is the price forever for U-Drive. Now for VJ's vans, it says £40 for the first 50 miles plus 30p for each extra mile. Well, I'm going to have £40 plus 0.3 multiplied by 70, because the remaining from 50 to 120, I've got to add on 70. So 0.3 times 70 is 21, plus 40, we get £61 for VJ's vans. Okay, which one's cheaper? Well, the answer is U-Drive, because £57.60 is smaller than £61. Okay, so U-Drive vans is cheaper, okay, compared to VJ's vans. Okay. Right, guys, that is the end of the video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Sorry if I got confused on question 5B, actually. I'm going to comment below here the correct answer for that question 5B. But I hope, nevertheless, guys, I hope you find it useful. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's try and reach 1,000 subscribers now. Like this video, comment below any topic requests or any questions or any queries that you might have on this video. Okay, and then share my video, guys, and spread the word about my channel. Okay, so keep watching my videos in full, guys, and check out my other videos. Okay, it should say others, sorry. That is another mistake I keep making today. The videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Keep well, keep healthy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye for now.